There, Mr. Major of Venice. I'm Fulmer van Deurs and I'm 15 years old.
My name is Joost Donker. I'm 14 years old.
My name is Rafik Margoum and I'm 14 years old.
My name is Mats Becker and I'm 14 years old.
The things we are going to talk about are the city Venice and the neighborhood called Veemart. We are going to talk about renewable energy in these places and surroundings. We will start with Venice. It's a beautiful place to generate renewable energy. So we started looking for renewable energy sources. We didn't find much, but we did find an idea with biomass technology with algae. Algae contains something called lipid used as a biodiesel feedstock. It's good for nature. Yet despite this, scientists do not agree on whether the process can actually generate any useful energy. A substantial amount of water, carbon dioxide and fertilizer are required. The cost of these, combined with the energy used in harvesting and drying the biomass, will not make this renewable energy source very gainful.
On the open land you can build a wind farm. It is quite far from the inhabited areas. It is also at the sea and there usually blows harder. Because Venice is so small, this is one of the few places where you can apply sustainable energy. The other option is to build solar panels on the many houses in Venice. Because it is very sunny in Venice, it is not a bad idea. The benefits are that the sun shines about 12 hours and that provides enough power for most parts of the town. The downside that it costs a lot of money. In Venice, rain is in a year as much as in the Netherlands. Because of the post-sewerage, so Venice too often flooded. Therefore we have an idea. If the drainage is improved, the water flows towards the sea. And dams on the coast, the tidal power station will be a perfect choice. The downside is that it's difficult to go underground in an old city and the cost will not be imported because it will quickly won by the tidal power plant.
We have an idea about lampposts. If you place solar panels on lampposts, you can generate energy when it's day and use the generated energy when it's night to light the lamppost for free. We have another idea about generating energy. If you place a turbine in a manhole, you can generate energy when it's raining. The water flows in the manhole and the turbine will spin around to generate energy.
What is sustainability? Everything that has to do something with socially responsible life, environment, ecology and future-oriented thinking is grouped under sustainability. What happens to the world if we don't act sustainably? The climate will change and it will get warmer. This is because the ozone layer will be more thinned by the CO2 emission. The North and the South Pole will melt. Next we have the Veemart. It's a neighborhood in Utrecht who is working with renewable energy. The houses got double glass windows to keep the warm inside. This causes less energy use because you don't have to heat up as much with those windows and that will make it cheaper. There are also solar panels that provide energy. Those solar panels cost a lot but they will make profit because the sun is free. If you have an electric car, the municipality will give you a private parking place. This will make it more tempting to buy an electric car. In this picture you see the CO2 emissions of the world. In Italy there's not so much CO2 emissions as other countries like China. In the next picture of Italy you see you don't use very much green energy because you're an old city. In the next picture you see the CO2 emission in 2012 and 2013. The amount has declined. That's very good. In the next picture at first in 1984 the amount increased, but in 2004 the amount declined. That's very good.